標準龍公開組500米預賽第一組嘅賽事咧，應聲出發。3號艇首先就帶出嚟嘅澳娛綜合金禧，喺佢隔離2號艇嘅健如美歐洲珠寶鐘錶咧，亦都係緊追其後嘅。咁啊，第3位咧見到應該係5號艇嘅路環東榮單車行。咁啊，第4位咧我哋見到咧就係呢個4號艇啊，澳門順德杏壇同鄉會，咁啊有少少偏離啊，就係澳門青年義務特工協會1號航道呢一隻艇啦，咁啊亦都係咧稍稍落後嘅。好啊，領先仍然係澳門綜合金禧，交翻俾中轉站，唔該。
好啦，喺中轉站呢度見到呢第3航道嘅澳娛綜合金禧依然都係處於領先嘅位置㗎，緊追其後嘅呢係5號航道嘅路環東榮單車行，佢哋兩隻艇之間淨係爭緊係4-5個龍頭嘅差距嘅啫。咁喺第3名嘅呢，似乎就係健如美歐洲珠寶鐘錶啊，3隻艇都係以一個十分之接近嘅獎品啦同埋速度啦，係以頭3名嘅位置係進發緊㗎。好啦，咁啊即將去到250米嘅位置，我哋交俾做聲。
Thank you. So far, so good for SJM Golden Jubilee in lane number 3. They are really interested in just getting into the semi-final, not having to race a repêchage, and so they are in lane 3, slightly or relatively comfortable from the beginning. They are now accelerating. Obviously, the rhythm is increasing because they want to solidify this first place and get the win and the place in the semi-final with 100 meters to go. They are being chased by Dong Rong, but it seems like SJM is going to get it. Penny, sorry, Dada.
thank you。咁我哋呢邊咧見到啊，係3號澳娛綜合金禧啊，力壓我哋5號航道嘅路環東榮單車行㗎。咁我哋2號航道嘅健如美歐洲珠寶鐘錶咧都係緊咬上嚟嘅。好，咁我哋咧已經去到終點嘅位置啦。第1名衝線嘅係3號航道澳娛綜合金禧，恭喜晒你啊！咁啊，接住第2名衝線嘅，好係第5航道嘅路環東榮單車行。而喺呢場賽事第3名啦，咁我哋其實過往都已經係知道啦。相信澳娛綜合金禧咧係會唔簡單㗎，咁我哋亦都期待晏晝嘅賽事。唔該晒，做姐。
Thank you. And SJM Golden Jubilee gets the win, also gets the place in the semi-final at 1:30. Second place for the Dong Rong Dragon Boat team. Third place, Yoga and Fitness with Europe timepieces. The Shunde Xingtan Natives Association of Macau finished esse quarto lugar para a equipa da Associação dos Nativos Shunde Xingtan de Macau e a quinta posição para a Associação dos Jovens Voluntários Especiais de Macau. O que significa que temos a segunda corrida preliminar dentro de momentos com a equipa Yunong Fan Tongsam a partir da pista número 1. O Banco Nacional Ultramarino vai partir na pista número 2 da equipa de Macau.
咁有咗之後咧，就會再同大家去講。